Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll guide you on how can you use Ultimate Ear Wonderboom Bluetooth speaker. So the Ultimate Ear Wonderboom is a portable, waterproof Bluetooth speaker known for its durable building, 360-degree sound, and a long battery life as well. It is designed to be rugged and travel-friendly, capable of floating in water and withstanding drops as well. So the Wonderboom 3 in particular is praised for the clean and clear sound, even at a maximum volume and its outdoor mode, which enhances voice and other high-frequency sound as well. To pair the speaker with the device, ensure the speaker is powered on. The Bluetooth button is pressed and hold until it blinks rapidly. Then enable Bluetooth on your device and select the Wonderboom from the list of available devices. Next, if you want to talk about battery life, the Wonderboom 3 provides up to 10 hours of playtime on a single charge, and a Wonderboom 4 boasts up to 14 hours. Likewise, for the volume control, volume can be adjusted using the plus and the minus button on the speaker or on the top of the speaker. Here it is. And you could also pair two Wonderboom speakers together to create a stereo experience, pressing the pairing button on each speaker as well. Similarly, some models like the Mini Roll offers a party of features that allows you to connect multiple speakers together for a larger sound experience as well. Durable and waterproof, good sound quality for this size, long battery life, easy to pair and use, and stylish design as well. And sound may be directional in some cases, not fully 360, and may not have some of these apps not supported. So you have to understand this. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.